Hey guys, Miata Man here again. This is part 4 of the 1990 Miata with the crazy idle. This thing's been revving up and down all the time. It won't stop. We've changed out the throttle body, the throttle position sensor, the air valve or choke control valve, the idle air control valve, and now we're going to change out the mass airflow sensor. So here we go. We're going to change that out right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first of all, we want to take our little screwdriver here, and as we did on the connection to the throttle position sensor where the plug goes on, there's a little wire that holds it in place, and that's how the connection to this is held on. Okay, so that's how you disconnect it. You never want to touch the two screws that hold this plug on. It's this part you're after, and there's a metal wire that goes around the perimeter, and at the top you can spread the wire and then just pull it off like that. Okay, once that's off, take your 10mm socket and back this nut off here, and that'll allow you to pull the intake pipe off like that. Then you can either use your 10mm on these ones, or you can grab your Phillips number 3 screwdriver. That's the bigger Phillips, and you can just do it like that. And while you're in there, you might want to check out your air cleaner or air filter and make sure that it's clean. All right, 3 more to go. And after we're done, we'll pop the replacement one on. I borrowed it off another car, so we'll do that. And then we'll see if there's any difference. The car this came off actually is a good running car, so we know that that thing works. It's not an unknown part, it's a known working part. So put that off now. This one hasn't been off before by the looks of things. The little clip that holds this electrical connector on the bottom. Let's grab the light here. So on the bottom side, there's a little plug, little plastic clip that just holds that wire to it. There we are, that's off now. Then we can pull that one out of the way. And we can have a look at the air filter. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, it's not plugged or anything, so that's not the issue, but always good to have a look at it. Fire that in there. Now we'll grab the one we borrowed off the other car. We'll stick that on. We don't have to really strap it down for this test here. We can just basically get the hose on. That's on nice and tight. Now we can plug the electrical connector back in. What we want to make sure of is that we've got those little the little metal wires that hold this thing on. We want to make sure that we've got those back in their original position. And how you do that is you go in from the side and you get them pulled back out a little bit, and then you push the wire back into its spot. Getting a bit dark, so it's a little tougher right now, but there we go. There we go. So now that's ready to just plug right back in. Like that. Yep, that looks good. So we are ready to fire this thing up again and see if it still does the same thing. I'm just gonna hang that so you guys can see what's going on. Okay guys, get ready. Fingers crossed. that wasn't it. All right, guys. Well, we're running out of obvious stuff now, and you know, we've changed out the obvious things, the usual suspects, as it were, and you know, it's lucky that I have all the parts here. I'm able to do this. I've got the luxury of a spare everything. So we're going to continue this process until we narrow this down, and I'll keep you posted on what the outcome is. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and watch out for more videos soon.